Today is the 21st of July and I'm here at Plantinum Ssangyong in Frome in Somerset picking up our new vehicle, which you could just see there, but unfortunately we've got a problem with our existing vehicle. Just on the way here, the last 5 minutes of the journey, we had an issue where the temperature gauge flew up. There was steam coming out of the back and the contents of the cooling system of the car are now in this puddle here. I don't know exactly what's wrong. I suspect this is the classic KV6 issue with the thermostat housing has let go. It's a plastic thermostat housing in these cars. We're just waiting for recovery service before we go back in our new car. Just as well, we've got a car that actually is covered by 6 years and 2 months of warranty, so I don't think that it'll be an issue if it would happen on one of those. But this one, of course, being 17 years old, is not, and so yes, it was not my favourite time of the year really, to see the cooling system belch itself right all over the forecourt. But there we go. Let's just have a look at the engine. As you can see, the header tank is totally empty. It went through one load of coolant. It's now got through another one. It just runs straight out the bottom, so it could be a hose somewhere in here, but obviously it's in the V of the engine and this all has to come off before you have a look at it. But it could be the thermostat housing. I thought it was initially the air conditioning system or something, but no, because the coolant's all gone. We think it's not that, and that's a bit of a shame. I don't know how much this is going to cost to fix. I have tried to ring Mr. Coleman, who's the last person who worked on this car, of course, but he is currently busy at his job. So yeah, we're going to have to just wait and see what happens. And in the meantime, as you can see, there's a trail that goes all the way down into this puddle here, and we're hoping that it's just, pink and water, which is, a sign that the engine's nice and healthy. We've done about, I don't know, 400 or 500 miles or so in this car over the last few days. We've had a little bit of a holiday, and yeah, it's just ironic that as we have turned up at the garage to pick up our new car, the replacement for the Seat we had, that this little chappie doesn't seem very happy, which is a little bit of a shame. I have the air conditioning running today. It is quite warm, and we've done about 50-60 miles to get here today from the sort of Isle of Purbeck area where we were. So there we go. At least we got the full review of this car done before all this nasty business happened, and it was nice and cool a couple of weeks ago when we did it. So this problem is going to manifest itself, but I think it was probably that plastic thermostat housing that was let go. But to be fair, it did the same kind of thing in our Astra. It did the same sort of thing, and we had that replaced, and after that it was fine. But anyway, subscribe to the channel for more videos of success and failure. I'm sure this will be a success at the end. And thank you ever so much indeed once again for watching. Thank you for all the comments on the no budget reviews and the tweed jacket reviews we've been doing recently. It's very, very encouraging, and soon we will have a video on the other car. But yes, I might be drawing this out as long as I can, but I quite enjoy it. Goodbye.